Hey, good morning, friends. This is Sriyarsha from Crazy Money with Sri, and today is 11th of May, and let's see what's happening in the market. Yesterday, market had actually moved higher around 19,000, 14,950. That was the beginning of a resistance at that zone, and it was unable to cross that. So there was some hurdle, but I don't see any major challenge because there was two gaps, and what we can see is the gaps are getting filled. And now what I can see that market has started somewhere around 14,007 789 is where the market is actually starting. That is the open, and the low it has made right now is 14,771 in the first 5 minutes. So the whole thing what we are looking at is until unless 14,750 is being held on the spot, I don't see any major challenge with Nifty. And for Bank Nifty, 32,400, this is very important. As long as we can hold these levels, I'll just share with you the today's support and resistance. As long as we are above 14,750, we should be on the positive side. And if we start going beyond the 14,850 onwards, I think we will be able to fill the gap which has been made for today. And after that, I think market will be quite strong, and we may start actually moving back towards the 15,000 levels. So for the time being, market may have some challenges in the first 1 or 2 hours. There will be some amount of pressure on the market because yesterday markets, US markets have been down, and currently even there is a good support in case of US markets also. The major challenge is with Nasdaq. If you look at S&P and Dow Jones, they have still been strong. So I don't see any major challenge which is there, and even the European markets are quite strong. So from that perspective, I am not seeing any major challenge at this point of time. Yes, there is. It has moved up so much so that some amount of correction is valid. I think from here there is a bigger chance of it moving on the higher side, probably, but it may not actually move at a rigorous phase. It may actually keep moving sideways, but it is more on the positive side. Sometimes here and there that corrections can always come in. So this is for Nifty and Bank Nifty. 32,400, 500 are very important. As long as we are able to hold this and we are able to go beyond this 33,000, and yesterday's high needs to be broken. Once that is broken and we are able to close above that and hold above that, that is where actually Bank Nifty will also gain some more strength, and then it is easier for the market to move on the higher side. Overall, right now everybody is actually looking at the Fed Reserve. What is that going to say? According to what I say, they are going to reiterate that they are going to keep the interest rates on the lower side for a longer time because the economy is not getting recovered, and so that is what is going to happen. I don't see any major challenges. Apart from that, I don't see any unnecessarily they creating any ripples to the market. At this point of time, they will keep their monetary policies on the easing side. So that's what I as my views. So the tip whatever you have got is good for you to buy, and this can actually take the markets back to 15,000 levels. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great and prosperous